So today is one of our opportunities, and we call it our 8th Grade Extravaganza. It's really an 8th grade advisement experience for all of the 8th graders in Richmond County schools to come and learn about all of the opportunities that they have in high school. A lot of times students, when they enter high school, aren't really aware of all of the CTAE pathways, fine arts, world language pathways, advanced study pathways that are actually available to them. So we're really trying to kind of give them a little bit of a taste of all of the different things that the community has to offer, as well as our high schools. One of the things that's really great is that we have a good partnership with the Economic Development Authority, and they have sponsored the Be Pro, Be Proud Skills Trade Simulator. So when they go into the simulator, they can actually drive a big rig. They can actually plumbing and welding and all of those things. So they can kind of just get a taste. We've also got set up in the gymnasium here all of our pathways that we have available in Richmond County, to include our aviation pathway with our flight simulator, our culinary arts opportunities, and we have students from each of those pathways here to kind of show kids in the 8th grade what it's like to be when they get to high school.
I think it's a very important tool because, I mean, people now are still talking about college is the way to go right after high school, but college might not be for everyone. Some people might want to just get right to work, and I can understand that, but many people don't know how to do that or where to start, and that's a good way. Like, they're in 8th grade, they're about to go into high school, they can have in their mind more than one option other than just college, and that's something that's good to know beforehand.
Well, I mean, truth of the matter is kids can't be what they don't see, so it's really hard to engage students in a world that they're not really aware of, and the world of work, even though it feels like it's not that far away, the 8th graders are the class of 2030, so in 5 years, they'll be ready to either move into enlistment, enrollment, or entrepreneurship, and actually go into the world of work. So really, this is the time now to kind of spark their interest. So the great thing about the Be Pro, Be Proud simulator, it gives them a chance to kind of work in different areas that are in the skills trade, just to see if they're interested. And then also, we have representatives here from Augusta Technical College, so we have groups of kids that are at Augusta Tech today taking tours of the facilities, so again, they can see what their opportunities are when they get to high school.